If you're tired of your keyboard sounding too boring or too basic, today we're going to dive into the world of keyboard modding, where we can take this to this. Di ko pa alam. But first, why mod keyboard? Whether you're after the perfect typing sound, better tactile feel, or just want to give your setup a personal touch, modding is the way to go. And guess what? You don't need to be an expert to get started. So I'm going to walk you through the basics. This is step-by-step beginner guide to modding keyboard by beginners. Let's get started. Here are tools that we need: scissors, keycap puller, tape, tweezers, screwdriver. In this video, we'll be using specifically the Rosewood from Akko. After you remove the keycaps, you can either replace them with a more desired keycap profile or just clean your keycaps if you don't have the budget. You can also lube your switches for a more smoother typing experience, which is optional. By lubing or clipping the stabilizers, you can eliminate the annoying rattle and give your larger keys a solid feel or a more stabilized feel.
This one called Beachy, shorty peachy, smoking on that GG, flowing like it's peachy.
And if you want to take it up a notch, you can add the foam inside your keyboard case to reduce the hollow sound, making each keystroke feel more solid. You can use simple material like shelf liner or pre-cut foam kits, which are super affordable.
Never stop from dreaming, never stop from what?
Adding foam to your keyboard reduces noise from your keystroke, making typing more quieter and more pleasant. It also improves overall key stability and feel by minimizing vibration and giving the keyboard a more solid and premium feel.
Show me that you want it, like the way you flaunt it. Got my eyes on it, feel it in your stomach, clutching on your rib cage, great on your good days. Yeah, we on the same page, yeah, we feel the same way. Hey. Silk robe pajamas, the ties keep shifting away. Views from the balcony, we could sleep in for the day. Breakfast in bed, keep the ashes for the tray. Crashing in together, you can hear it in the waves. Marina Del Rey, Biscayne Bay. Yeah, we on the same thing, thing, thing. Yeah, we on the same thing, thing, thing. Now I got you where I want you, and I know that you love it. I won't stop you, girl, just rock it like you do not have a care. In this world, it's just me and you. Don't be shy, let's take it there. Here in your spot, you scratching. Too many dig themselves a grave and all these things come.
Alright, we've removed the keycaps and the switches, added foam. Now, we're adding the tape for better sounding. Tape mod involves applying 2 layers or 3 layers of tape at the back of your PCB, which deepens the sound of your keystroke for more satisfying acoustic sound. It can also enhance key responsiveness by slightly increasing the firmness and bounce during typing.
And then defeat their enemies. This is the reason they are free. This is the reason they are wise. Fighting demons in the rise. So vividly reflected like a simple piece of symmetry. The reasoning would lie. No feeding them, no lie. No freedom with no fight. There's no freedom with no fight. There's no freedom with no fighting. On the road to righteousness. There's no freedom with no fighting. On the road to nothingness. There's no freedom with no fighting. On the road to righteousness. There's no freedom with no fighting.
Too much passion in my words, I've got freedom like no other. Too much scrapping on the curve, so much grieving from my brother. Got me scoping every angle like I'm keeping undercover. I know I'm a lot to handle, but I'm keeping it 100.
So never kissing, never telling. Listen when I tell him there's no wisdom in accepting till the system is rebelling. We got sisters, we defending. Pressure builds like a piston in the engine, got me infinitely ending. I feel the roots in my fingertips, cluelessly moving ish. Nobody knows what their purpose is. Cutbacks in services, scumbags and murderers. I'm gonna burn a bridge. But underestimated value gets stuck in the world of my premeditated plans to give up. It's kinda hard to explain, but this path is called pain. It's all target and aim, get your bag, then we cut.
I want a house in the hills, I pay big bills. I ain't got a lot, I wanna empty out my wallet. I wanna stop motion, stand still, Wallace and Gromit. I wanna talk more endlessly, I wanna neurotically vomit. I want more dollars for my mama, I want a palace in Prada. I want a Gucci bag where I can store my sorrows and hardships. I wanna gold plate my finance, I want endless tomorrows. I want a lot more than I got right now, that's the problem. You could give me every little thing I'd ever want, but I'd never have enough. Yeah, I had it all. You can give me every little thing I ever want, but I'd never have enough. Yeah, I had it all.
Oh, I see what you want, baby, but it might be just a little more than I can give you.
Second thought, I want $1 for everyone, not just my mama. I wanna hit the ball out on random pedestrians. I want my questions to be answered till my brain bored and questions. I want more self-assurance. I don't ever want to second guess. I want someone to shut the f up. That she's trying to tell me yes again. I want so many best friends that I can't tell what friendship is. I want the diamonds, gold, and glitter. I want fast cars on never live. I want it all till I'm empty in my castle of everything.
Oh, I see what you want, baby, but it might be just a little more than I can give you.
I wanna push out that pay big bills and cheap thrills. Wanna mob out with my homies like Timmy, Tommy, and Dill. I'm not trying to be famous, okay, maybe a little. Since I'm a rapper, I should buy me some grills and gold frills that I can sleep on while I contemplate pills and peep on hold still. Might sedate you just a fire at will. I got an appetite for hardship, big fish meets krill. Don't sleep, don't spill. I ain't got my fill. I want the beauty queen to make me show my pearly whites. The type of movie scene that make you count your blessings twice. It's not the only thing that's on my list. I checked it twice. It sent it off to Santa's elf like I've been playing nice.
I see what you want. Oh, I see what you want. Oh, I see what you want. But I might be
A little more.
And that's it. With just a simple mod, you can transform your keyboard into something personal, comfortable, and satisfying to use. Don't be afraid and make sure to make it your own. And finally, here's the before and after sound comparison. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe, follow us, and comment down what mods you're going to try. Comment your favorite part of the video, subscribe, like, share this video to your friends and family. That's it. Goodbye.